Good morning YouTube, Tadas here, and welcome to my random Monday. Let's go. So the plan is very simple. We're going to visit rope, swing, jump near local river in my hometown Kaunas. Let's go. Picking up my broom. Locked door prank. Good morning. Today we're talking in English. Okay, we're a bit late, so a bit. 20 minutes? Yeah, okay, so you're cameraman for now. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Welcome to our English vlog. You're welcome. That's your morning coffee dose.
Alright.
Because all the good YouTubers drinking coffee. At least in the morning. There's a, by the way, very nice place. We found it 1 week ago. We've been sailing on that river with the small wooden vintage speedboat, and we found that place. Yeah, and it's strange. It's built by locals. There's a nice terrace for chill. There's basketball court, and you will see everything. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Woo,
Stay tuned.
let's go.
Incoming jumpers, get ready. All the rope swings, get ready.
Creative. Capture every moment of your trip. Real Dakar starts now. Ford Focus team approaches a very difficult path in a wild Lithuanian forest. What is this? A parking lot or what? No, this is just a place where people people hang out. Ha! How are you doing? I hope fine, because we're doing fine too. We're here now at a totally random spot near Nevezis river in Lithuania. Look at this morning beauty. It's called Lithuanian jungle.
With sewage system running straight into the river. So extreme.
You see that castle? That castle. There's a famous Lithuanian gangster called Dr. Castle.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, he built it when he was powerful, young and free. Now he's old, not powerful, and locked in jail. I'm very sorry.
He's in another castle. Sorry, your princess is at another castle.
The spot is somewhere over here. Go, Pakene! It's not far away. It's gone. Let's go. Yo, homies. Welcome to my crib. Come in. I'm just gonna show you around. Yeah, this is my yard. This is my homie Nevezis. Yo man, we're up.
Oh yo man, Tadula, nice to see you again,
Nice
dude.
to see you again.
Hi everyone.
Nevezis is just having fun in our new basketball court. Bam! Smack that. Okie dokie. Don't wait here. Come in, come in. That's the main house. That's where all the party happens. You know? We have some pee in the bottle. We have some trashes. We have some nice table to make heroin syringes. And look for the view. Come here, come here. Look at the view. Yeah, man. Check her out. As I said, it's totally random. And it's a kind of shelter built in the middle of the bushes near the river. And I hope, I think that's work done by locals. What do you think?
And I feel like it's gonna be our temporary home for today. It's gonna give us shelter, gonna give us food and water.
Yeah.
And It's gonna give us loads of fun.
Exactly. Why to go to Thailand if you have this amazing local jungle
sure.
bus shelter in the middle of nowhere? And that's the rope swing. This thing is nice. It's made semi-professional. We have safety belt attached to the shaka. How it's called?
To a branch.
To the branch. Yeah. Nice, strong sailing rope and handmade handle for 1 or 2 athletes to perform their
really
best.
Smooth.
Yeah,
Very
exactly.
professional.
That's what people do 6 o'clock on Monday's morning.
Yeah!
Okay, let's go for a drone.
Baker man is baking bread. Baker man is baking bread.
Look at this wild and brave man, ready to perform his best. 3, 2, 1, go!
Awesome! Wow, damn! Yes, man! Yeah, dude, we did it! We did it! High five, bro! Woo. Yeah! Yeah!
By the way, this Nevezis river is one of the most dangerous rivers in Lithuania. I don't know why, because it looks very calm. No strong current, no rocks, no nothing. But as the legends and grandmas
Articles in the newspapers?
and articles in the newspapers are saying, like, the most drowned people are taken from this river. That's scary, but we're not drowning today, I hope. Are you alright, Pakianas? You can stay here.
It's pulling me back.
Okay, thank you, nice people who built this creepy, trashy, bushcrafted place. Welcome to new day.